people. This weekend, our goal is going to be to try and get, well, maybe today, we're going to try and get the inside of the door jambs and the inside of the doors painted so we can get the doors put back on. But while I've got it apart, these hinges have a decent amount of play in them, so while I've got it apart, I'm going to go ahead and replace these hinge pins. I bought those today at the part store, and Cody is going to change these things out. It's not falling out, but it's loose. It's got a lot of paint buildup on the pin. That's why it doesn't really want to come out. Next step, put this hinge in the device and you knock these brass bushings out. We got our new brass bushings in the pin, and the Dorman part number is that right there. Now Cody might actually have the right size socket. It's a 5/16 and 1/4 inch drive. Yep, that knocked that one out. But now he's got that thing jammed in there. Look, Cody, turn it around and knock it back out. Yeah. Just whenever.
Neat. Do that?
Yeah, that'll work right there. Yep, that'll work just fine, Cody. Yep. Alright, now knock the new bushings in. Alright, that's in. Cody, this thing's brass. If you keep whacking on it, it's going to mushroom it. No, this isn't brass. This is a bronze bushing, I think. I don't think it's brass. All right. Now, bring it back to the truck. Go back to the truck with it, Cody. Back to the truck. Now we're going to take the hinge, just put it right back where it goes. Which I'm pretty sure this is the right direction.
Yeah, it is.
Put the pin in, knock it down some. That hammer won't fit in there. Now, take this E-clip, I think they call these things, and clip that thing on to the kingpin. Alright, There's your new hinge pins. Now we'll just do the same thing to this one. Alright, yesterday we got all the bare metal spots just spot primed with epoxy primer. I think I got the door jambs ready to be painted. We've got a little bit of a dent in the back of the cab where I let a four-wheeler slide forward and hit the back of the cab one day. Later I'm going to go to Harbor Freight and I'm going to get a stud welder, and we're going to try and be able to pull that dent out. We can't pull it out from the inside. We can't pull it out from the inside because it's a double pane or something. You can't get back there to it to be able to push it out. So you got the bed spot primed in the different places where it was bare metal. Got the inside of the door jambs done. Today Daddy wants to get the entire, he wants to try and get the entire truck primed with 3 or 4 coats of filler primer. The outside of the doors, we're not going to do filler primer on the inside of the doors or the door jambs because that's not necessary. Got the tailgate. He got the holes welded up and filled in the tailgate. Well, he got it looking good. Can't tell it was ever there. But we're gonna leave the tailgate like this. We're gonna put filler primer on the tailgate, doors, truck, the hood as well. That's what we're gonna try and get done today. And hopefully we get it done today, but we'll just have to see. Alright, we got the bed in the shop. We're gonna put filler primer on it so we can block sand it. And we got an exhaust fan. Hopefully gonna pull all the fumes out of the shop so we don't get everything painted. Alright, let's see if this thing will work. Right in there. Wow, that's weirdly cool. I wonder if it's... Here.
Hey, look, you can't jerk the crap out of it. You gotta...
I'll do it. I got it.
You just barely bump it, because...
Yeah.
Watch out, Toby, so I can see if he's doing anything.
Hey, this is cool. Yeah, higher, right?
No, don't go too high, because I want to pull that seam out, that
right.
body
Is
seam.
that where you want it?
Body line. Come down a little lower. Oh, right there.
Whoa. That's neat.
Right, I want you to pull on that one too, and I'll see what happens.
Did that one get longer? Yeah, I held it a little bit longer. Because it actually made a tempered color spot on the other end. Oh. Can't push on this. So is this piece straight? Do you have this piece
It's
straight?
like the whole...
Yeah. Like
get in
this
there,
groove
Cody.
here, me and Cody got it straight.
Get in there. Alright, put your straight edge up here. I mean, I assume that's supposed to be straight. See if it's straight above it. Go on up high. Yeah.
Yeah.
We needed the studs right on the edge of that
We
body
can do
line.
another stud. You want me to put another stud right here in the middle at the very bottom? We got that dent pulled out. That Harbor Freight stud welder works good. Alright folks, we're back out here the next day after yesterday. Yesterday we got the filler primer on both of the doors. We got the filler primer on the hood and the bed and this super nice looking tailgate. Today we're going to get filler primer on this little piece that goes on the front. This has got epoxy primer on it right now. Same thing with this little piece here. We've got to do the filler primer on this, and then the cab of the truck. Cab of the truck, any place we sanded down to bare metal, has got epoxy primer on it. We're gonna have to scuff all that up with sandpaper or Scotch-Brite, and there was some dents back here. I videoed us pulling that out with that new Harbor Freight stud welder. That thing was pretty neat. We did not get this 100%, but I would say it's at least 85-90%. But it looks way better than it did. I screwed up with that one time we went four-wheeler riding. I didn't strap my four-wheeler down. It was sitting in the back of the truck, and I had to slam on the brakes, and the four-wheeler slid forward, and the winch bashed in the back of the cab. And somehow it didn't break the rear glass. But today we're going to try and get the cab filler primed, and get those two small pieces filler primed, and then we're going to probably start block sanding on the bed and the hood probably. So we're going to try and get a lot done today, because today's Sunday. It's the last day of the weekend, so then we'll have to go back to work tomorrow and work on the truck next weekend.